difference between Vedic and Western astrology is really in perspective. So what happens, I'll use my chart for an example. My sun is in Sagittarius in the west, but in Vedic astrology it goes back 24 degrees, so it goes back into Scorpio. Now, how that changes in perspective, if I think of my sun in Sagittarius, it's showing more the face that I show to the world, my image that I project into the world. It shows a lot of my stored karmas are there as well. But what the Vedic astrology shows is sort of who I actually am in the first house, and it puts the Sagittarius goes into my second house, which is the face that I show to the world, and that sort of thing. And so, again, for my chart, for example, I've got the sun in my ascendant. And so that sort of shows me as this being this very independent person that I am. But the face I show to the world is the second house. That's the Sagittarius with Mercury. And so people always see me as sort of that philosopher figure, the writer figure. I've always got my laptop. When I was young, I always sort of had this pen. But that was sort of my face that I showed, what people saw of me. Our true self is sort of a step back from that. People don't see it quite as directly. But once you start studying the Vedic chart, you can see how that works.